For those that are new to the channel, my name's Big Bert, and I like to take you around this magnificent state of Tasmania, Australia, show you all of the sights by bike, by car, and sometimes by foot, because a lot of the places is not accessible by any type of vehicle. So please join us while we have our first ride for 2021. It's the 2nd of January today. May have had too much to drink on New Year's Eve to ride yesterday. May. Not going to commit to that, but anyway, we're out and about today. The forecast's overcast and a bit of rain later this afternoon, so hopefully we can do what we want to do. When you live in Tassie, you can't just sit around and wait for the weather. You'd never get the bike out of the shed, so we're going to head up the northwest coast till Latrobe or thereabouts. Then we're going to swing back through Port Sorell and back to Exeter, through to Beauty Point, have a bit of lunch and a couple of bevies. So, talking of bevies, grab your favourite bevy, kick back, put your feet up and enjoy the show. We're travelling on the old Bass Highway today, just to stay out of the nuts on the main highways. And it's a much better ride, even if there's lots of stops and starts. The speed limits in towns. We're just running through Hagley now. I guess it's like most places all around the world, these would have been the main highways, but they put the new highways through and dropped all these little towns out, so some of them struggle, some of them boom. I think this one's a few that struggles a bit, but a nice place to live, I guess, if you like the quiet lifestyle. Not that far from town, Launceston, 15 minutes maybe. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you have a safe, prosperous 2021. Thoughts and prayers are with all you guys in lockdown around the world at the moment. Bring on some cures. Let's get on with it. Coffee break at Latrobe, and now we're heading on the, well, the Frankfurt Highway it used to be called, but apparently it's only called the Frankfurt Road now. Who knew? So we're heading back now towards Exeter, and we're going to drop off, take that corner out, head through to Beauty Point. I think we're going to book it at the pub for lunch. So the weather's holding. Life's good. There's a dead carnage on the road. Lots of roadkill here this time of the year. Onion fields here. In the red dirt, grows a lot of fruit and veggies up through this way. And this is on the way to Port Sorell, a seaside retreat, I guess you'd call it, here on Tassie's northern coast. Another beautiful part of the world with fantastic riding roads. As you can see. So the poppies, the kind they make drugs with, lots of them in Tassie, fields and fields of poppies. Always a good place if you break down or get a punch at a poppy field, because you'll only be there a couple of minutes before someone turns up to move you on and it will help you out. broccoli field there with the cattle on. They've already obviously harvested that. What I'll do is I'll just kick back and enjoy the ride. I'll put some tunes on and you guys sit back and enjoy this road. Anyone that's wondering, yes, more poppies. Lots of different colours. Oh, we're going to get wet here. Excellent. We've got to time it so we don't get a wet digit. We're through. Good work, Paul. Hold the leader out there. Got us through there dry. Check nothing's going to hammer me from behind. Park it up here. We're going in for a frosty and a feed, and we'll catch up with you when we get back. So that's it, lunch at the pub, Beauty Point, beautiful food, huge meals, and we're going to head back home, down the river, or up the river I should say, and I don't know about the others, I'm going home to have another beer. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed that, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you like that type of content, please subscribe. I'm more than happy to have some more subscribers. And I reckon that'll pretty much doing me for the day, so I think it's time for a beer.